In this video, we're going to talk about finding the missing constants in a function. So remember that a constant is just a number as opposed to a variable. So let's say if you have f of x to be equal to x squared minus 2x plus k, where k is just a constant, but you don't know this constant. So if you want to find this, then you need another point on the function so that you can plug it in and solve for k. So here you must have given in the question, what if f of 2 is equal to 3? So if f of 2 is equal to 3, this is going to be your question and he's going to ask for k. So now you know that when x is equal to 2, y or f of x is equal to 3. So you can go ahead and replace f of x to be 3, and you remove each x and you plug in 2. This says that when x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So this is plus k. So you'll end up with a single equation where you only have k as your unknown. So you can solve this by saying that 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times 2 minus 4 plus k is equal to 3. So this cancels out, so you found your missing constants. You're going to say that k is equal to 3. Now that you know that k is equal to 3, you can solve for, let's say, f of 1. So f of 1 in this case is going to be you remove x and you plug in 1. And you're going to add the k. In this case is going to be 3. So this is going to be 1 minus 2 plus 3. So this is going to be negative 1 plus 3, which is it's going to be equal to 2. So if you want to find the missing constant in a function, you all need to do is find another point that fits this function, and you plug in the coordinates of this point in the equation, right? So let's try another one. Let's say you have f of x to be equal to x squared minus, let's make the unknown here beside the x, and let's say we have here plus 5. And again, now you want to find the value of p, the unknown constant in the function, and then you must have another point. So let's say he is given that f of negative 1 is equal to 2. So what does this mean? When x is equal to negative 1, the function is going to equal to 2. So you go here and put 2, replacing the function or the y or the f of x, and negative 1 replacing the x. Remember, whatever beside the bracket is always the x. And we said when we have a negative number, or in general, the best way to do this is to put brackets when you replace the value of x. So again, you'll end up with an equation that you have only p as your unknown. So you're going to say that if this is 1 plus p plus 5 is equal to 2, bringing these two terms on the other side by subtraction, you'll get that p is going to equal to negative 4. Now that you have your p to be negative 4, your function will look like this, x squared minus, but I'll put p to be negative 4. So you're going to have negative 4 x, and then you have here plus 5. So the function is going to become x squared plus 4x plus 5. So now if you want to find any value for the function, you can just plug its corresponding x and you'll find the value of the function. So this is how you find the missing constants of a function.